2017 Ford F-150 Lariat 5.0 Coyote motor. Love these 5.0s. Anyways, got factory converters there and there. He's a friend of a friend. He brought it in. Was recommended to us by our other friend. And he wanted a little bit loud, not too much. Wanted to keep it single. So we cut all that off. That muffler and resonator. And put 3-inch pipe in its place all the way back into a Flow FX by FLOWMASTer. 3-inch outlet, 3-inch inlet. It's a 71419 series, a Flow FX. If you guys want, there'll be a link in the description for it. There it is. And that's how you do it, boys and girls. And then continue the 3-inch pipe out the back into his 3.5-inch factory tip. There's a resonator and muffler we cut off, and intermediate pipe. Because that clamp always leaks, we always cut it out too. There it is. I'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Ford F-150 5.0 with a Flow FX. 2012 Ford F-150 King Ranch Edition. Really nice truck. Got factory converters there and there. Then it's wise into a single 2.5-inch pipe. Then we put a 2.5-inch to 2.25 tailpipe, 2.25 mandrel bent tailpipes on this side and this side, and to 4-inch by 18 rolled angled tips. We'll put you a link in the description for the Y pipe and the black tips. There and there. That's how you dual them out. Right there. Hope you guys like it. I'll let you guys hear it in a second. I think it came out magnificent, if I would say so myself. There it is. Ford F-150 King Ranch with black tips. Dualed out the back. Woo! Wow! That sounds phenomenal. Sound decibels. 119. That is loud, man. I love it. 5.0 F-150. That's loud.
Yeah, dude.
I love it. Do you approve?
Do I approve?
Yes.
I don't know. Tell him do it again.
He will in a second. Wait. Once he stops it back here. Let's see if she approves. Again?
I like it. I love it. I want some more of it.
There you go.
Welcome to Nashville.
Welcome to
baby.
Nashville, man. Hope you guys like it too. We'll let you guys hear it on the inside. Much better. Let you guys hear sound decibels. Go ahead. 103 on the sound decibels, bro. That's not bad. If you true dual it, they'll probably be like 113. Next time. A little at a time. But I like it like this too. Yeah, but again, Ford F-150 King Ranch. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Ford F-150 5.0 liter with a Flow FX. Maybe he'll get on it. We'll see. Beautiful truck.